Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Let's say you have a GE dishwasher like this one, and suddenly you get error code H2O or FTD, and maybe both. And your dishwasher doesn't work anymore, and you're about to call a professional to fix it. Let me tell you this, don't do it yet. The problem most likely is really simple, and you can definitely fix it yourself. I will show you today so you can save a ton of money. Also, I am going to tell you a story definitely will make you rethink what you need to do before you call a professional. Anyhow, this dishwasher actually belonged to my friend Mike, and yes, it has issue, and yes, he did call a repair guy, and that gentleman came in and told him that it is basically total, because to repair it will be something like $900 parts and labor, because he believed the control board and everything else broke, or he could buy a new one which is about the same amount of money. And Mike obviously did not want to repay, so because of the service cost, he paid $129 to that repair guy. Now, I just could not believe it, so I came in to check, and yes, we start the dishwasher, and yes, after a few minutes, we start to hear an alarm sound like this. So did you hear that? Okay, good. And then we open it up. Okay, not today, of course, but anyhow, except H2O as the error code. Now, with that, you can easily tell, if you know a little bit of chemistry, H2O is water. So I immediately think that, you know what, it has a water issue. So we look at the filter, because obviously if the filter is clogged, then yes, water is not going to flow well. So with the H2O error code, what you want to do is that you want to open the dishwasher, put the tray out, and get the filter. Okay, take the filter out. Well, honestly, it's kind of dirty today, but that day it was much worse. By the way, you do not want your filter to be this dirty. You always should clean it, and in fact do it after every wash. Simply you just rinse it with water, give it a little bit of soap. But if you want more detail, I in fact have an old video that you can watch. The link is in the description, and that applies to dishwasher of any brand, any make and model. And yes, we clean it up, put it back, and start the cycle again. Now, unfortunately, after a few minutes, it beep again, like just now, and then it gives me another error message, FTD. Well, with that, I am pretty sure it means fail to drain. So indeed, the dishwasher could not drain water. Now, what's going on? In this model, there is a water pressure sensor under the dishwasher. In fact, in pretty much every GE model, there is one. And that one can get clogged easily. You need to clean it. So let me show you how to do that. It's actually very simple. So now I am under the dishwasher, laying on the floor, and we will try to get the pressure sensor out. Before you can do that, make sure you cut the power to the dishwasher. Safety is most important. And then we need to get these screws out. It's just a quarter head socket that you can use and take it out. And then also the other side. Now let me tell you this. You may say that, hey, look at this one, this is not the same type of screws. It is not, and let me tell you why. The so-called professional in fact lost one screw. We could not find it. When I came in, there's only one screw on one side, not on the other side. So we have to find another one to to hold on to it, and that's right. So see, it is pretty horrible. I have to tell you, they even lose a screw. Okay, so now you can take this one out. Okay, and this is the pressure sensor. Very easy to see, and we are going to take it out. Make sure you have a towel below because there might be water coming out. And to take it out is very simple. You see the tap out here? Lift it up a little bit and then you just turn. And, oh, yep, there is water, so, but not too much. So now it came out, and there is a connector here that we have to remove, and then we can take it up to the bench. And to do that, you see the black tab out here. You just snap onto it, and then just use the other hand, try to take it out. Okay, it's out. And now we have our pressure sensor, and we will go to the table and look at it. So now we're on the bench, and this is again the water pressure sensor. Let me tell you this. The other day over here was full of hot grease, so it blocked. What you need to do is you get a screwdriver and just clean them up. Unfortunately, that day Mike was very efficient. He cleaned up before I could take a video or picture, so unfortunately I could not show you how we did, but it's really indeed very easy. Just get it out. I did have a picture showing you what we get out. Very nasty and a tons of it. Okay, just do it like that. But that's not all though. You see the two tab out here? You actually can press them onto it, and this one actually come out. And very importantly, this hole need to be clean and clear, and if it's not, use a picking tool. Just kind of clean like that, and yes, it was totally clogged that day. It is clean right now, so yeah, you got a little bit still, you see that? So, but it's way better. The other day was clogged with hot grease also, and that's why it doesn't work. That's why you have 2 error message. Okay, so that's all you need to do, and we can put it back. But let me tell you this, hopefully you see how easy it is to fix this issue, and you really don't need to hire anybody. And unfortunately, as you can see, the so-called professional we have is not so reliable. They are not any better than you, if not much worse. And I feel really bad for that one, by the way. You know, it's better than $900, but we waste $129 on this one, and we almost waste the whole dishwasher that is perfectly good. Anyhow, just reverse everything, put them back, and you are good to go. And look, it's so simple. Everybody could do it. So if this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. And next time, try to do it yourself before you call anybody. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.